Now here the question is, we are given two summations, Sn, which is summation k varies from 1 to n upon n square plus kn plus k square, and then Tn, which is summation k varies from 0 to n minus 1 n upon n square plus kn plus k square for n equals 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Then we'll need to find which of the following options is or are correct. Now, if we look at both the summations, the term in both the summations is same. It is n upon n square plus kn plus k square. But here, in this case, this summation, it goes from 1 to n. And for the second one, this summation, it goes from 0 to n minus 1. Now we find limiting value of both the summations, then limit n tends to infinite Sn will be same as this limit n tends to infinite Tn will be simply this limit n tends to infinite this summation k varies from 1 to n or from 0 to n minus 1. Result will be the same, and n upon n square plus kn plus k square. Now what we'll do is we'll divide everything with n square. So we can write this as limit n tends to infinite summation k varies from 1 to n 1 by n 1 plus k by n plus k by n whole square. Now this is nothing but limit of sum. So it satisfies all the three conditions. N tends to infinite. We have this 1 by n, and then we have written every k in the form of k by n. So we can write this as this integral from 0 to 1 dx upon 1 plus x square. Now we'll complete this perfect square. We can write this as dx upon, now this is 1 plus x square. Now this is plus 1 by 4 and then minus 1 by 4. So it will be from 0 to 1 dx root 3 by 2 whole square plus x plus 1 by 2 whole square. So we'll write this as 1 by a, which is 1 upon root 3 by 2 tan inverse 2x plus 1 upon root 3 from 0 to 1. Now we'll get this as 2 by root 3, and here it will be tan inverse root 3 minus tan inverse 1 by root 3. So this value will be 2 by root 3. Now tan inverse root 3 is pi by 3 minus pi by 6. So it will be simply pi by 6. So value of this integral will be pi upon 3 root 3. So both these series Sn and Tn, they converge to pi upon 3 root 3. Now here the question is not about convergence. The question is about, we need to find whether Sn and Tn, they are greater than or less than this value pi upon 3 root 3. Now how do we do that? Now for that, what we'll do is we'll consider this function fx equals 1 upon 1 plus x square when x is greater than 0. Now we'll find f dash x will be minus 1 upon 1 plus x square 1 plus 2x. Now when x lies between 0 and 1, f dash x is less than 0. That means this function fx, it is a decreasing function. So what we'll do is we'll draw the graph of fx between 0 and 1. An approximate graph of fx between 0 and 1, it will be 1 when x is 0 and it will be 1 by 3 when x is 1. We'll draw this approximate graph of fx. So that's your function fx equals 1 plus x square. Now if we look at this integral from 0 to 1, 1 upon 1 plus x square dx, we know that this value is pi upon 3 root 3, and this integral, it actually represents the area bounded by this function between 0 and 1. So we are talking about this entire area. So the area bounded by this function between 0 and 1, it is pi upon 3 root 3. Now another way to calculate this area is to consider small rectangles. So if we consider small rectangles, then we can find the approximate value of this integral or the approximate area. Now since it is a decreasing function, if we consider rectangles starting from this first value, then sum of areas of all these rectangles will be greater than the actual area bounded by this curve. Now if we look at Tn, Tn is the summation k varies from 0 to n minus 1, n upon n square plus kn plus k square. We can write this as summation k varies from 0 to n minus 1, 1 by n upon 1 plus k by n plus k by n whole square, which is basically approximate area bounded by this curve. Now for t, this summation, it starts from 0. And since this summation, it starts from 0, we are talking about rectangles with values at the starting point. So for this Tn, we are approximating this area with rectangles whose area is actually greater than the area of actual integral. So in this case, the sum of areas of all these rectangles, which is Tn, it is actually higher than the actual area of this function, which is a. So from here we'll say this Tn, it will be greater than a, which is pi upon 3 root 3. Now for Sn, Sn is this summation k varies from 1 to n, n upon n square plus kn plus k square. Now here it doesn't start with 0, it starts with 1 and it ends at n. So when it ends at n, that is it ends at 1. So here we are talking about rectangles starting from the last value. And since it is a decreasing function, sum of areas of all these rectangles, it will be less than the actual area. So this Sn will be less than a. So from here we can say Sn is less than pi upon 3 root 3. So depending on whether it is an increasing function or decreasing function, we'll compare the areas of approximate rectangles with actual area of this integral. So for this question, answer is Sn is less than pi upon 3 root 3 while Tn is greater than pi upon 3 root 3, which are options A and D.